And I've been getting asked that a lot. Will AI take over HVAC sales? And the answer is yes and no. So if you're talking about an HVAC salesperson, yes, it will take your job. If you're walking into a house, you're taking a couple of pictures and leaving an estimate without closing, you're done. At the end of the day, you're just the customer service rep. There's no difference between you and the register person at McDonald's. But now, if you're an HVAC closer, if you know how to communicate information where the customer wants to buy something, they still tell you no 2, 3, 4 times, and you're able to strategically get through that, then still have great customer service and close the deal. No, AI will never take your job. You'll always have that position. And guess what? As those salespeople are eliminated, those closers are actually going to be in higher demand. You're probably going to get paid more at the end of the day.